Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the EENOUR Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine. The EENOUR Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine is a versatile and efficient tool for everyone looking to create professional quality sublimation tumblers with ease. Priced at $159, this machine is designed to save time and effort, making it ideal for both beginners and small-scale producers. Its standout feature is 360 degrees automatic pressing and rotation, ensuring seamless sublimation on a variety of tumblers and mugs without the need for manual intervention. Once the process is complete, the machine automatically releases, allowing you to focus on other tasks while it works. These heat press support tumbler sizes from 11 ounces to 32 ounces, accommodating mugs, cups, water bottles, and sippy cups. Its adjustable pressure ensures even applications and eliminates ghosting, resulting in vibrant and professional prints every time. The upgraded heating elements provided fast and even heat distribution, while the triple-layered silicone protection enhances durability, reduces odors, and protects sensitive hands from burns. The machine is easy to operate with a clean digital LCD display that shows temperature from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer from 0 to 600 seconds. Users can quickly set the machine according to the materials and size of the tumbler, and the 4 memory modes make repetitive jobs simple. Modes 1 through 3 support auto rotation for straight skinny tumblers and glasses, while Mode 4 is for mugs with handles. Safety is priority, with an emergency stop button that instantly halts the pressing cycle if needed. Customer reviews on Amazon highlight the machine's efficiency, ease of use, and fast heating. Many users were impressed by how quickly the press reaches the desired temperature and how smooth sublimation process is. While a few noted minor issues like adjusting pressure or slightly coasting at the bottom of the tumblers, most agree that the machine significantly simplifies the process compared to manual presses. Users also appreciated the sturdy build and reliability for daily use. Overall, the EENOUR Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine is a dependable and user-friendly option for anyone wanting to make high-quality personalized tumblers. Its automatic features, precise controls, and durable construction making it an excellent investment for hobbyists, small business owners, or anyone serious about sublimation. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.